Students, and welcome back to Little Learner Study Club. And in the last video we learned the civics. Maybe you all can remember it in the lesson. So we did a small recap in the first about what we learned in the first video, and again we learned the significance, right? You all can remember, no? We learned the significance. We learned the significance of an extended family in relation to a nuclear family. But today I thought that I have planned to do geography for you all without the civics, because already I have uploaded 2 videos in civics, but still I didn't upload anything about the geography. So I have planned to upload the geography. I have planned to make a video with geography today. So today we will be starting our geography lesson. And in the Zoom details I have put that I will be teaching Islam phonic practices for grade 2 and 3, geography, history and science, right? So civics also I will be teaching you all. If you all are willing, you all could join, and the contact number is also there. For more information you can just contact us. And so today I will be starting the geography. The first lesson, the planet Earth we live. Okay, so let us go into the lesson. Okay, so if you all need, you all can also write this down. So I hope that you all took the note. With the teaching of the civics, I hope that you all have make the notes for yourself. Okay, so today today we will be learning the planet Earth we live. This is the lesson which we will be learning today. The first lesson of your geography, right? Okay, so the main objective of this chapter is to learn about the Earth's information that is related to the continents. So you know what is continents, right? This Asia, Africa, North America, Europe, South America, Antarctica and Australia. So they are the 7 continents, right? So they are continents. And the oceans, you know what is the ocean, right? This Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, likewise Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. So these are some kind of oceans, and the latitudes and longitudes and the shape of the Earth. So these are the main objective parts which we are going to learn in this first lesson of our geography. So I will be uploading the videos as part 1 and part 2, because we cannot do all at once, right? So we will have to make the video by parts, because if I make all together also, the video might become so big, so long, so it will be hard to upload. So I will be making with parts and parts. So now it's 3 minutes, so I'll go into the lesson now. So today we will be learning until the shape of the Earth, the starting page number 2, the starting para, and the shape of the Earth. So these things only we will be learning for today. Okay, students, so everyone who are living in this Earth, everyone know that the Earth is created of marvelous nature creations, just like the water, air, conjunction environment for living beings. The Earth is the only planet. The Earth is the only planet which consists of these things, and most of the people, they can live only in Earth, because the Earth have a congenial environment. So they have oxygen in Earth also, no, to breathe. They have water, they have air. So the people, all the millions of people, they can live only in the planet Earth. Okay, So, okay, so the Earth's movement around its own axis is called as the rotation. Now, if this is the, wait, for example, I'll show you all. Okay, this is the Earth. Then if, wait, if this is the Earth's movement around its, now there will be, some lines, some circulars like this. So the Earth's movement around its own axis is only called as the, wait, you cannot see the board, no? Okay, it's the Earth's movement around its own axis is only called as the rotation, but the Earth's movement around the sun, the Earth's movement around the sun is only called as the revolution. Okay, so did you understand what is meant by rotation and revolution? I'll tell it simply. The Earth's movement around its own axis is called as the rotation, and the Earth's movement around the sun is called as the revolution. Okay. So students, the Earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate around its own axis. So now in a month, normally we have 365 days, right? We have 365 days, and in a year we have 12 months. In a month only we have 365 days, and in a week we have 7 days. In 1 day we have 24 hours. Yeah, so in 1 day we have 24 hours. In 1 month we have 365 days. In 1 year we have 12 months, and in 1 week we have 7 days. So this is a main point for you all to keep remembered, okay? So that then the Earth takes 24 hours. So the Earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate around its own axis. What? Wait, I'll explain it once again. Because when I'm writing it up, you all cannot see the board, right? I'll make it much clear for you all. Okay, so the Earth, now this is the Earth, right? Then the Earth takes 1 day or else 24 hours. So the Earth takes one day or else 24 hours to rotate around its own axis. Own axis means to rotate around. So the Earth takes 1 day or else 24 hours to around in its own axis. It means to around in it itself. Now wait, I'll show you all clearly. Okay. So now you all have, now every one of you all have see a solar system. No, you all have see a picture of the solar system. So if this is the sun, here is one planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth. Now this is the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Those things will be coming that side. So all these planets, they have lines like this, no? So these planets, they have lines like this. So this Earth takes 24 hours. It takes 24 hours or 1 day. It takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate around its own axis. So the Earth can rotate like this also. So to around in its own axis, it takes 24 hours or 1 day. Likewise, the Earth takes 365 days. 365 days or else 1 year. 365 days of 1 year to revolve around the sun. To revolve around the sun, Earth takes 365 days of 1 year, and to rotate around around its own axis, the Earth takes 24 hours or 1 day. Okay. So now let us go for the next part. So students, you all have heard a word called as leap year. Every one of you all have heard a word which is called as leap year, right? So normally they have 365 days in a year. But leap year, this word leap year, they add one additional day. They add one additional day. Then for 365, if you add one, it will become 366. So what is called a leap year? The year with the additional day is called as the leap year. The year with the additional day. Now 1 year means 365, no? 365 days. So sometimes in every 4 years, after every 4 years, you will get a leap year. That means you will have, now normally in all the year you will have only 365 days. But after all the 4 years, you will get 366 days. Because that year, after all the 4 years, you will get one leap year. Now this is 2021, right? So in 2021, just count and see 4. Then this is 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. So again in 2024 you will get a leap year. In 2024 you will get a leap year. It means you will have 366 days in this year. But in 2022 and 2023 you will have only 365 days. Only in this 2024 you will get an additional day. Means 366 days. It means 2024 is a leap year. Again after 4 years you will get another leap year. Then 2024 means 24, 25, 26, 27. Again in 2027, again in 2027, you will get 366 days. Because this leap year comes in additional, it comes after 4 years. After 4 years, however, you will get a leap year. So likewise, after 4 years, again in 2024 only, you are getting a leap year. Okay. So what is called a leap year? The year with the additional day is called as the leap year. Okay. Okay students, so this part is over. Okay, so I'll just do a small recap, I'll just give you all questions. If you all are willing, you all can write these questions, because these are the main questions which can come for your exams also. Okay, so I'll write the questions down. If you all need, you all can copy the questions. I will give time to write the answers. I will give 5 minutes to write answer. Again after 5 minutes, I will be starting the lesson. Okay. So for 5 minutes, you all must stay just. The video will be just only. Okay. The first question is, so first I'll write for the first 2 questions. Okay, after that slowly, little by little, I will go for the other questions. Okay. But one thing, you all must be honest. You all must be honest when you are writing the answers, because I'm here and you all will be in your home. So I couldn't check whether you all are whether you all are writing the answers honestly or not. So that just I have give you all the questions. It's it's uh, y- i mean if you don't want to cheat yourself, then honestly you must write the answer. If you don't know the answer, just put a blank like this here. Just put a blank like this. When I am writing the answer, just see my answer and write. If you all have written the answer already, then when I am writing the answer, you all can just correct it. Okay. And the contact number is there, no, I have put it in the channel, in the Zoom classes channel. If you need, you can save my contact number and you can send me the works also. Okay, so I have give you all time, you all can do your work. And then after, now only two questions are here also, I'll give you all only 2 minutes for one question, 1 minute, because these answers are not that much hard. It's really so easy. So without seeing the book only, I also will I will also write the answer. Okay. So I'll give you all 2 minutes. Just try to find the answers and write it as quick. Because however now it's 16 minutes, I must try to finish it before 25 minutes or else before 1 hour. So if it take 1 hour, sure it will be so hard. To upload. So after the questions, I will be starting the shape of the earth, because the shape of the earth is also a small part now. So I will be starting the shape of the earth, and then in the next video inshallah we will be learning latitudes and longitudes, but only we must learn the latitudes and longitudes, because latitudes and longitudes is a little bit a long part, a big part. So I must explain it carefully to you all, and you all also must take it, you all also must write it okay. Is it so bright that side? No, I'll write that. Okay, if I keep it like this, it's fine. Yeah. So you all also must listen to my teaching methods carefully, because we are teaching you all in an easy way. We don't want to make you all. We don't want to make you all to tell that learning is a hard part. We need you all to tell that learning is a easy method. That's why we are teaching it in a simple and easiest way, by drawings and by the normal explanations also. So now I have given you all the questions. If you all need, if you all are willing, you all can make a separate book for geography, likewise a separate book for civics. Or else if you take a 200 pages book, keep 100 pages for geography, 100 pages for civics. Another 200 pages book, 100 page for history, 100 pages for science. Another 200 pages book for grade 8. Grade 8 100 pages for geography. And after we uploading other subjects, we will be telling you all. And who are willing to learn Islamic language also, you all can keep another 100 pages or 80 pages book for that. Because if you all write down the main points, now we are giving here main points, main questions and main notes, so that then it will be easy for you to learn for exams also. If you all get an exam, you all can just take our book and just refer it. If you refer it, it will be easy for you all to learn for the exam. You all don't want to just see the book and go through the book, because when you are going through the book also, it will be so tough for you all. You all will think, why there is this much, I cannot learn this. You all will think like that only. That's why without referring the book, you can refer our writing book, because we give the simple questions, main notes, main questions, those things only we give you all. Even you can put our video and see the explanation also. Okay, so that then it will be easy for you all to learn for our exams too. That's why we are keeping Zoom classes. If you are willing, you can ask your parents and you can join. The fees is also reasonable, just 700 for all the subject. The one each subject 700. And for grade 2 and 3 phonic, I'm taking just 500. Grade 8 also 700 only I'm taking for each subject. Some are there for the science, they used to take 800, some for maths 1002. So they used to take like that, no? but I'm not taking like that. I'm just taking reasonable price. And another thing is, another main thing is, there is another channel which is Simply Maths. If you need, if you are willing, you can join. You can continue that channel also. We are showing you all the easiest mathematics way using the abacus. Using the abacus in 5 minutes at least you can do 60 sums or more than 60. And without abacus, how to do in abacus method is also there. We have teach that also. I have uploaded the video. It's better if you see it, so that then it will be easy for your exams as well. Because now most of the people are there, they just put lines and they cut and go to get the answer. But you all don't want to do that method in the abacus. Okay, so I'll give you all time. Okay, so now let us go to the answer. Because almost the time is going on. So what is known as rotation? What is known as rotation? Check your answers. The Earth's movement around its own axis is called as rotation. What is called as rotation? The Earth's movement around its own axis is called as rotation. Okay, so y'all can check your answers. If y'all have put a blank, just you can copy the answers, okay? And then what is known as revolution? The Earth's movement around the sun. No? The Earth's movement around the sun is called as revolution. Okay students, so I guess that you all have noted down the first answer and you all have corrected the first answer, so I'm erasing it, and let us go for the next part, the next question. So this will be your third question. Okay, so your third question is, okay students, so this is the third question. How many hours does the Earth takes to rotate around its own axis? So maybe you all know how many hours does the Earth takes to around its own axis, because I teached it to you all. So I'll erase the second question and the answer because I need to write the fourth question. Just these are just simple questions which I'm giving to you all. It's not much hard. So your fourth question is, how many days will the Earth takes to revolve around the sun? So y'all can write it as soon as possible, then only I can give the answer also. And maybe today we will not get to learn the shape of the Earth. It's okay. In the next video, let's learn the shape of the Earth and let's do some questions or notes on it. For today, in this part, I will not give note because I have give questions. No, these are some main points and main questions. That's what I have give it. And today I teach you all only the main points, and these are main questions for the main points. In the next video, let's learn the shape of the Earth, and sometimes I might give questions, or else I might give the notes also. Okay. So soon write this question, and if you all don't know the answer, just put a blank. When I'm writing the answer, write it. If you all know the answer, then write it, and when I'm writing the answer, just correct your answers. Okay. So I'll give you all 1 minute time because this question is so easy to write the answers, because these are just maybe 1 word or 2 word answers. Okay students, so let's go into the answers. How many hours does the Earth takes to rotate around its own axis? So how many hours does the Earth takes to rotate on its own axis? How does the Earth rotate in its own axis? So I'll show it. So if this is the earth, it around in itself, it arounds like this, it arounds like this, it will rotate. That's what they say, that it arounds in its own axis. So that then how many days will it take to rotate in its own axis? Sorry, how many hours? It's 24 hours. 24 hours, or else you can 24 hours, or you can put it as 1 day. So what's the answer for the third question? The answer for the third question is 24 hours or 1 day. So if your answer is correct, just put it as correct. If you have put a blank without writing the answer, then make sure to write the answer as soon as possible, because now this is the fourth question. Now we are going to discuss. There are another 3 more questions to give you all. Okay, so the next question, the fourth question, how many days will the earth takes to revolve around the sun? How many days will the earth takes to revolve around the sun? Around its own axis only, it rotates for 24 hours or 1 day, and around the sun it takes 365 days or 1 year. Now however, in 1 year there are 365 days, right? So it's better to put it as the full answer. Okay, so I hope you all have write the question and answer. So I'll erase the third question, fourth question, and let me write the fifth and sixth. Fifth question. Your fifth question will be, what is called as a leap year? What is known as a leap year? Okay, what is known as a leap? You all cannot see, no? This is okay, but no, I don't want to write it like this. I'll write the question down. Okay, so your fifth question is, what is known as a leap year? So I'll give you all another 2 minutes to write the answers for the fifth and sixth question. And the sixth question is, when does the leap year comes? These two also easy. These two also easy questions. You all can write the answers as soon as possible. Okay, students. So let us discuss the answers. What is known as a leap year? So what is known as a leap year? Okay, so a leap year is called as a year with a additional day is called as a leap year. So what is called as a leap year? A year with the additional day is called as a leap year. Additional day means, now normally you have 365 days, right? Normally you have 365 days in a month. In a month, normally you have 365 days. So after 4 years again, you will get 366 days. Then 1 day is added to this, no? That's what they say, it as a year with the additional day is called as the leap year. Okay, so the sixth question, when does the leap year comes? Now itself I told you all when does the leap year comes. When I'm explaining this. When does the leap year comes? After, no, you can put it like this. A leap year comes after 4 years. A leap year comes after 4 years. After 4 years means, now again when does the leap year come? Now this is 2021. Then from 2021 see 4 years. Then from 2021 if you see 4 years, it's 2024. Then again in 2024 you will get a leap year. Then in 2024 you will have an additional day added. Then you will get 366 days in 2024. Okay. So now let us go for the last question, that is the 7th question. Okay students, so I'll give you all 1 minute. So write the answer for this also. Okay. So why do we call it as a leap year? So let me write the answer for it. If you all haven't write, just write it, note it down. We call it as a leap year because normally in a month there is only 365 days, and when the leap year comes, after 4 years, the month sorry students, the months will have 366 days in total. So that then there is a additional day. That's why we call it as a leap year. Okay students, so this will be the answer for the 7th question. Okay students, so this is the answer for the 7th question. Why do we call it as a leap year? So this is the question, and the answer is, we call it as a leap year because normally in a month there is only 365 days, and when the leap year comes after 4 years, the months will have 366 days in total. So that then there is an additional day. That's why we call it as a leap year. So this is the main question. So please note it down. Okay students, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our other channel, which is Simply Maths. We have uploaded video in that. You can, if you like, you can continue that channel also, and there are some free sessions which will be conducted on October 15th, 16th and 17th. If you are willing, you can join the free sessions, and if you are willing to join, just the contact number is also there with the Zoom class details. You can contact us and put us your name, age, grade, and which subject you are willing to join. The fees is also reasonable. Just ask your parents, and if you all are willing to join, you all can join. And please keep separate books and note down your notes, because all the things which we are teaching for you all are the main points. So if you all are willing, you all can note down the notes, and you all can join our Zoom classes also. Hit the bell icon to get all the updates and notifications of our channel, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. May God bless you.